Are you thinking of skipping a home inspection in Seattle's competitive market? Yeah, in 2025, that could be one of the costliest mistakes a buyer or even a seller can make. Now in this video, I'll break down how inspections are working today, the biggest risks to watch out for, and how both buyers and sellers can use inspections to their advantage. Hey, while you watch this video, if questions come to your mind, my contact is in the description below. Feel free to reach out anytime. Hey, Ravi Ramachandran with the Rams Group here. We help buyers, sellers, and investors all across Seattle and Eastside areas make confident, well-informed real estate decisions. Today, let's talk about inspections, what's changed, and how you can protect yourself in 2025, shall we? First, let's start off with why inspections still matter in 2025. Some buyers think waiving inspections makes their offers stronger. Now, while that may work in certain ultra-competitive situations, it's a total gamble. Don't do it, if at all possible. Now, Seattle homes range from charming 1900s craftsman builds to new construction condos and townhomes and even single family. Now, each comes with potential issues, including areas like electrical, plumbing, foundations, roofs, or even water damage from our rainy climate. Now, skipping an inspection can mean inheriting tens of thousands of dollars in surprise repairs, which you absolutely don't want to do, right? So this is something for you to watch out. Then let's cover what buyers should actually expect. Now, inspections in Seattle typically cost about $600 to $800 depending on the size of the home. That said, a good inspector evaluates the roof, the foundation, electrical, plumbing, appliances, attic, crawl spaces, you name it. Now, if concerns pop, you can request additional specialist inspections as part of the contract. Now, think sewer scopes, roof evaluations, or mold tests even, given the climate Seattle has. Now, these reports give you leverage during negotiations. You can ask for repairs, negotiate credits from sellers, or sometimes even walk away if it's too much for you to take, so that you'll be more informed than completely bypassing inspections. Now, we looked at buyers. Let's see what sellers should know. For sellers, a pre-inspection can be a game changer, total game changer. Now, it shows transparency, builds trust, and may help you avoid deal-breaking surprises later. Now, imagine a buyer discovering a leaky water heater after mutual acceptance. That has the potential to derail the deal based on how negotiations go. Now, a seller pre-inspection lets you either fix it upfront or price accordingly. Now, that's an investment that often pays off and pays off big if you're a seller. Then let's look at the negotiation power that inspections provide. For buyers, inspection reports are negotiation tools. Don't skip it. I've seen buyers secure $10,000 plus in credits because of a roof that needed repair. For sellers, being proactive, presenting clean inspection reports makes your home that much more appealing to the buyer pool. Now, the key in all this is transparency. It keeps deals together and builds trust between multiple parties in the transaction. That said, let's look at a few common mistakes to avoid. Now, if you're a buyer, do not nitpick small cosmetic issues. Focus on major safety or financial risks. On the other hand, if you're a seller, don't hide issues. Most will be uncovered anyway. Now, both of you, sellers and buyers, do not underestimate the emotional weight inspection reports specifically carry. Buyers can get nervous easily, something for you to be aware of. Now, the bottom line is that inspections in Seattle in the 2025 market are not just formalities. They are critical steps to making smart decisions, whether you are buying or selling. All that said, do you want my free buyer and seller inspection checklist for Seattle? Just comment the word inspect below and I'll send it to you. And by the way, my information is in the description below. Feel free to DM, call, or book into my calendar if you have any further questions, and I'll be happy to find information or answer those questions for you, okay? Peace.